Good morning, one and all. This is Pujit Anansai from CSC holding a roll number 19951A05C9. Today, my presentation is about non-recursive relation. What is a non-recursive formula? A non-recursive formula is a formula for a sequence that does not itself depend on any other terms in the sequence. In other words, the only variable you will need to plug in is the index of the sequence. For instance, S n equals to n square is one of the most basic non-recursive formulas. Sn represents the nth number in the sequence, as its formula is n square, which can be directly computed by plugging in the value of n you want. Another example of a non-recursive formula: r underscore n equals to n power 4 plus 3n minus 1. What is recursive formula? A recursive formula is a formula for a sequence that depends on one or more of the earlier terms in the sequence. If n underscore n represents the nth number of your sequence, the formula may have an s connected to a smaller subscript. For instance, a basic recursive formula is s underscore n equals to s underscore of n minus 1 of plus 1. It reads as follows: to get the next number in the sequence, add 1 to the previous number. The issue is that you need a starting point or a initial value. If you try to find s underscore 4 but don't know s3, you will need to find s2 in order to find s3. If you don't know s2, you will need to find s1 in order to find s2, and so on. This madness needs to stop eventually, lest you wind up with something called infinite recursion, which gives many computer scientists a headache when they accidentally implement infinite recursion into a computer program. So you have to have a starting point. When working with a recursive formula, you have to be given some values to start out with in the recursive formula. Sn equals to s of n minus 1 plus 1. Can a sequence have both a recursive formula and a non-recursive formula? In many cases, given a recursive formula and a starting value, we can guess a non-recursive formula and can even formally verify that our guess works with a procedure called induction. I won't go into detail about induction in this article. Here a simple example where we might be able to guess. Let's say that our sequence has starting value s1 equals 1 and recursive formula Sn equals to s of n minus 1 plus 4. Does a recursive formula satisfy a non-recursive formula? Let us further explore the relation between recursive formulas and non-recursive formulas. Here how it works. We start with a recursive formula and a non-recursive formula. We plug the non-recursive formula into the recursive formula and simplify the resulting statement algebraically. After the dust settles, we can see if the equation is true or true for all n. If so, then we say the recursive formula satisfies the non-recursive formula. Let's consider some examples. Example 1. Does the recursive formula s of n plus 1 equals to 6s n minus 3 satisfy the non-recursive formula Sn equals to 6n plus 1? Solution. Well, here's how we proceed. To plug the non-recursive formula into the recursive formula, we can replace Sn with its non-recursive formula. S of n plus 1 equals to 6n minus 3. S of n plus 1 equals to 6 of 6n plus 1 minus 3 equals to 36n plus 6 minus 3 equals to 36n plus 3. Now we have to figure out if this is true. The key is that the non-recursive formula Sn equals to 6n plus 1 is true no matter what natural number we plug in. This we can replace n with n plus 1 in here. S of n plus 1 equals to 6 of n plus 1 plus 1 equals to 6n plus 6 plus 1 equals to 6n plus 7. We have two different expressions for S of n plus 1. Line them up next to each other. 6n plus 7 equals to that 6n plus 3. Is this true for any natural number? Of course not. Just plug in n equals to 1 for instance. If these were to be true, the left and right hand sides would necessarily have the same exact algebraic expression. As a result, we say the recursive formula does not satisfy the non-recursive formula. Thank you.